Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Ratan Money Metals. Is it a buy at these levels or an avoid? So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Ratan Money Metals, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And if you want to pay, you can pay directly $100 and you get 12 months access. So you pay for 10 months and you get 12 months access with a 20% discount. For detailed market or company talk or a number of stocks you are holding, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now about the company, Ratan Money Metals was established in 2005, so quite a new company, just 15 years old company. Manufacture tubes and pipes in stainless steel and exotic materials. Have businesses all across India, and they also have metals division where they produce steel. Also produces carbon steel pipes in wide size ranges for wide spectrum of applications. So that is why the company has done well, because this is a more consumer oriented company that had not done well over the past many years, but this year it has gone up substantially. The market cap of the company has soared to around 9,000 crores. It has more than doubled in the last 1 year. If you look at the financials, then sales were down 70% to 441 crores and profits were down to 60 crores, and that is understandable on the Q3 basis, because the commodity prices had risen and the numbers did not look that good. But what has happened is that there is greater demand for the product going forward, and the products that they are making is state of the art, and that is why the stock has been running like anything, and currently it is trading at very high valuation of around 45 to 50 times. Higher expenses led to lower numbers, as we have seen, but the debt has reduced substantially from earlier times. Return on equity of 19% and operating profit margin of 16% is pretty robust, and it looks like it will improve going forward. If you look at the performance of the stock, then stock is up 150 160% in the last 1 year. So I remember that last time around when I made this video, and you can look at it probably a year back, the market cap of the company was around 4,4200 crores. Today it is above 9,000 crores. It is more than doubled from those valuations, and the whole sector is in a surge. So you look at metal companies, metal stocks, metal products makers, anything related to metals has been doing extremely well, and Ratan Money is no different, making new highs every week and doing really well. But now there is some sort of a correction, or you can say time wise correction, that is coming through after hitting 2000, which looks like a pretty decent, you can say, resistance between 2000 to 2200. So what needs to be looked at right now is whether this will be a deeper correction or not. But currently I see that the stock has run up a lot and it could take a break for a few weeks. Strong promoter and institutional holding, just 13% free float, is also a positive, that even little bit of buying takes the stock up, and you see the rise in the stock. But currently now it looks like it's going into consolidation. Margins are decent, and plus it gives a very good dividend, so that's also a huge positive. If you look at the technicals of the stock, then there is strong short-term support around the 1850 levels. Currently, it is hovering around those levels, just a smidgen higher. Long-term support is around 1600, 1650. So any declines towards 1750, 1780, 1700, something like that, would be a decent buying opportunities if the market decline, which we are seeing at the current level, and it can see a huge up move above the 2300 levels. So currently the stock is 18 1900, unless there is another surge that takes place and the stock goes to 2200 2300. I don't see that the stock will surge higher. I think there could be a decent time wise 1 or 2 months correction that could take place. The 50 DMA is around 1850, so at least till 1850 we can see a decent decline in the next few days. So the up move may just continue on the longer term basis, but in the next few weeks, in a couple of weeks time, with the kind of scenario we are in, we could see decent correction in Ratan Money Metals. So what needs to be done? In my opinion, buy as a trade and probably keep a stop loss. So if you buy here, keep a stop loss at 1700, or probably wait for some sort of a decline. Say from these levels, you see a decline, a sharpish decline towards 1700, 1750. That would be a good buying opportunity. Have a good short to medium term view, and do not invest more than 5% of your total holding into such stocks. So economy will improve, so on a longer run basis this stock should do better, but currently we could see some pressures. So this was my video on Ratan Money Metals. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.